Welcome to Spannerdoor, your all-in-one app for vehicle management and services. Let's get started with a quick walkthrough. First, open the Spannerdoor application on your phone. Allow notifications to stay updated with all important information about your vehicle and services. Enter your phone number and click Continue. You'll receive a one-time password OTP to the same number. Once you enter the OTP, click Continue. Once your number is verified, enter your name and email address to create your account. Next, enter your vehicle registration number. The app will fetch all the details related to your vehicle. Just click Add to save it to your garage. Head over to the garage page. You'll be asked for location permission, which is used for pickup and drop-off services from your provided or current location. In the garage page, you'll see all the essential details about your vehicle, including service history, insurance, emissions, and shellings. Ready to book a service? Simply click Book Service. You'll have the option to either drop off the vehicle yourself or let Spannerdoor pick it up for you. Your location from the map or select a saved address. Enter your address, confirm the pickup and drop-off location, and you're good to go. Now pick a date and time slot that works for you and confirm your bike service. Once your service is booked, you can track all your service details directly in the app. If you ever need support, you can contact us directly through the app. Spannerdoor also offers a special service called roadside assistance. Just click on the Help RSA option. This will take you to the Help/RSA page where you need to select your bike and raise a ticket. After that, choose the exact location for pickup or roadside assistance. Confirm the location and submit. Spannerdoor, making vehicle service and management easier right at your fingertips. Download Spannerdoor today and experience the convenience.